Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Pinterest idea pins, content creation overview step by step clearly.
Open your Pinterest app and log into your account.
On the home feed, tap the plus icon to create a new pin.
Select idea pin from the options presented.
Begin by choosing a template that best fits your content style. You can select from a variety of layouts tailored for visuals and videos.
Next, upload images or videos that you want to include in your idea pin. Drag and drop your files into the designated areas in the template.
Use the text tool to add captions or descriptions to enhance your visuals.
Keep your text concise and engaging to grab attention quickly. Adjust the color and font to match your brand's aesthetic.
Utilize stickers and music options to make your idea pin more dynamic.
Make sure to review your pin by clicking on the preview option. Once satisfied, tap next to proceed to the publishing page. Add a title and a brief description to optimize your idea pin for search. Select or create a relevant board to save your idea pin to. Before finalizing, check the visibility options to control who can see your pin.
When ready, tap Publish to share your idea pin with your audience. Monitor engagement through Pinterest Analytics to see how your content is performing. Experiment with different formats and styles to find what resonates best with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.